Hey there, wonderful parents. Have you ever wished your child could read like a little genius, effortlessly breezing through books with confidence? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to share how you can easily transform your child into a confident and high-achieving reader without any stress. First off, let's talk about creating a love for reading. Reading should be fun, not a chore. Start by choosing books that cater to your child's interests. Dinosaurs, fairies, space adventures. Find what makes their eyes sparkle. When a child is excited about what they're reading, the learning happens naturally. Next, make reading a part of your daily routine. Just like brushing teeth or bedtime stories, set a specific time for reading. This consistency helps build a habit. And hey, it doesn't have to be a solo activity. Read together. Make it a bonding time where you can laugh, discuss characters, and explore new worlds together. Now, let's dive into the magic of interactive reading. Ask questions while reading. What do you think will happen next? How does this character feel? This not only improves comprehension, but also keeps your child engaged. And don't forget the power of praise. Celebrate their progress, no matter how small. Confidence builds with every word they master. But here's the real game changer. Make use of technology. There are incredible programs out there designed to make reading fun and interactive. In the description below, I've linked a fantastic program filled with games, stories, and activities that will have your child begging to read more. It's like having a personal reading coach right at home. Remember, every child learns at their own pace. Be patient and stay positive. Celebrate their unique journey. With the right approach, you can give your child the skills and confidence to succeed and achieve their full potential. So, are you ready to unlock your child's reading potential effortlessly? Check out the description below for that amazing program and start your reading adventure today. Happy reading! Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks to help your child thrive. Whoa.